When we analyze the world map, we see there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. And this is important issue. Every continent surrounded by ocean. But the picture changes when we enter the interior part of continent. In this part, the amount of large reservoirs within the continent is low. Welcome to my channel Globe Time. Today in this video I am discussing the landlocked country. Let's get started. Landlocked country. There are two types of landlocked country. First, single landlocked country and double landlocked country. Single landlocked country. A landlocked country is one that does not have a coastline. Presently, there are 45 landlocked countries in world. Okay. Double landlocked country. Those are countries that are not only landlocked but are completely surrounded by other landlocked countries. Okay. Landlocked but are completely surrounded by other landlocked countries. For example, Uzbekistan. Surrounded by Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan. Okay, surrounded by single landlocked country. Someone beginning a journey from a double landlocked country would have to cross international border. Here, first international border Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan international border, and second international border Turkmenistan and Iran international border before reaching a coastline, and coastline Arabian Sea coastline. Okay, clear the concept? Before discussing the landlocked country, we will find out which continents are not landlocked countries. First, North America. The continents of America the countries of North America and Middle America is so wide that some part of it are surrounded by ocean. Okay. Next, Oceania. The continent of Oceania is made up of islands like Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea, and others. So there are no landlocked country in this continent. And last, Antarctica. There is no country in Antarctica, so there are no landlocked country. Okay. Single landlocked country. I discussed landlocked countries according to continent. First, South America. There are two landlocked countries, Bolivia and Paraguay. Bolivia is surrounded by Brazil, Chile, Peru, and Argentina, and Paraguay. And Paraguay surrounded by Brazil, Argentina, and Bolivia. Okay. Africa. There are 16 landlocked countries in Africa continent. These are Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger, Chad, Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Swaziland, and Lesotho. East Europe. There are 6 landlocked countries in East Europe. These are Andorra, Switzerland, Austria, Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, San Marino, Vatican City, seven landlocked country in East Europe. And West Europe landlocked countries are Belarus, Moldova, Kosovo, Macedonia, Hungary, Slovakia, and Serbia. Okay. Total 14 landlocked country in Europe. Next, Asia. The landlocked country in Asia are suited central part of Asia, and all sun countries are landlocked countries. Okay. Landlocked countries are Armenia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Mongolia, Nepal, Bhutan, and Southeast Asia, Laos. Okay. And newly Asian landlocked country is West Bank. Total 13 landlocked countries in Asia. Okay. Sometimes the question arises whether the country around Caspian Sea is a landlocked country. Certainly yes. It is a lake surrounded by land, and it is not possible to communicate with any country or ocean through the water's sharing. So it can be said that the country around the Caspian Sea is a landlocked country. For example, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, sorry, Armenia, Azerbaijan are landlocked countries. Double landlocked country. We know those countries are not only landlocked completely but also surrounded by other landlocked countries. In world, there are only two landlocked, double landlocked country in world. First, Liechtenstein, situated between Switzerland and Austria. And Switzerland, single landlocked country, also Austria, single landlocked country. Okay, so Liechtenstein is double landlocked countries and cross two international border reaching the seacoast. First, Liechtenstein and Switzerland border, and second, Switzerland and France border, or Switzerland or Italy international border. Okay. Second double landlocked country is Uzbekistan, surrounded by five single landlocked countries. These are Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. Okay. These two countries are double landlocked country. Disadvantage of landlocked country: lack of direct access to the sea and hardly benefit from trade opportunities. Largest and smallest landlocked countries are: the largest landlocked country is Kazakhstan in Central Asia with a land area of over 2.7 million kilometers. The smallest landlocked country is the city-state of Vatican City with an area of just 44 hectares. Okay. I am finishing the video here today. Thank you.